Alright, now these party buses, they got, well, all of them shuttle buses, they got two compressors. So the original one, the factory ones right there, those don't really go bad. It's always, something with these. So, the charge port for the front is here in the normal spots, but for the rear it's underneath. So climb up under there. You see right there, we got the charge port. So I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so we got the hot side right here. Twist it on. So we got that. So we're gonna turn her on. Let's see. We're gonna go to recover. Second person. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this finish, pull the vacuum. While that's doing that, I'm gonna get the compressor ready to start coming loose.